Good morning, everyone. I just woke up. It's 8 p.m. and I just decided I wanted to come on up over here and show you all my nighttime makeup routine. Now, this is going to be a little difficult because, as you can tell, I have amazing jeans. Making my money on tips. Bridget Bar Dough Tender. So don't be sad if you look in the mirror after this tutorial and still feel ugly. I'm sure one day you will discover your inner beauty. Okay, I know I look a little crazy. I haven't put any makeup on yet, and that is because generally I don't like putting too much makeup on. I'd hate to look like Trixie Mattel during season 7. A melted 24-pack of Rose Art crayons you accidentally left in your mom's 2007 Toyota Sienna, baking in the summer heat of Lake Havasu. For the Trixie stands, don't worry, I can make that joke. Not because I know Trixie personally in real life or anything, but she's like off the internet taking a nap or something right now. I don't know. So how is she gonna find out? Okay, first product that I use this Neutrogena Hydro Boost water gel moisturizer. I love to make sure my skin is moisturized at all times. And I used to love this product, but they recently changed the packaging and I hate change. So fuck you, Neutrogena. I liked the old one better. But as a merciful underconsumption queen, and I don't mean tuberculosis, I will be using this product. So just take a little bit on your ring finger, where a man might one day give me a yubiwa, Japanese vocab, tango, diva. Spread that all over your skin. Next, this is my Holy Grail skin product, Vaseline. Back in my day, we used to use Vaseline to lower friction on things, on objects, objects that we'd use for enhancing our day-to-day lives. What Vaseline does is lock in moisture, so when you get wet, you stay wet. Again, ring fingers, the daintiest of fingers. So we're gonna take a little bit of that, and then we're gonna put this all over our forehead. Now your friends can check your makeup in your forehead without them having to go to a bathroom. Women supporting women, because boys can't wear makeup. Now that my base is done, we're gonna move on to the eye look today. Now, I'm only doing this today because this is a nighttime look, and so we're going to want to make sure that our eyes are as shimmery as possible. This is so that if a car is driving by in the deep darkness of the night, your sickening eye look will be highly reflective and might inhibit them from committing vehicular manslaughter. Vehicular manslaughter. Vehicular manslaughter. Vehicular manslaughter. Today I'm going to be using my Avatar 2 NYX eyeshadow palette. I love this eyeshadow palette because it reminds me of my hatred for the hubris of Little Miss Sir James Cameron. I'm sorry. I personally think that if you're making a movie that is over 3 hours, you need to go to therapy and take a step back and try and figure out what you're trying to prove and why you are unable to communicate your ideas in a quick and concise manner that is easily digestible and understandable for all who chose to observe. Also, the white boy in dreads makes me feel sad. Again, ring fingers, the daintiest of fingers. I'm going to go in with this nice azure wood sprite color. We're just going to dabble that all over the lid. No vehicular manslaughter for you tonight, bestie. Okay, now to the last step, of course, a lip. I always make sure to do a sickening lip just so men, women, or non-binaries know that just like a camel, I spit in self-defense. The product I like to use is, oh, wouldn't you know it, Vaseline again. Little Miss Vaseline is back again for an encore. Love that for her. And of course, love that for all of us. Take a little dibble out on your ring finger, the daintiest of fingers. Just a little dibble. And then we're going to dabble that dibble all over our lips. Moisture. Loves it. Sickening. And with that, our makeup look is done for today. And as a bonus for all of you, because I love my fans, I am going to be giving a styling tip for all of you. So let's go over and look at my full body about what I am going to be wearing out to the club tonight. I know the clean girl aesthetic is on its way out, which is why I'm offering the Internet It Girls a new aesthetic to bond your identity and brand and personality to. I call it Mother Mormon Mother. Essentially, it is Mormon prom from the muff up, brat baddie down from the butt. We are covering our clavicles. We are hiding those sensual shoulder blades. We are disguising the décolletage. We are taking out tummy visibility. But down below, our thighs are roaming free. Like the sexy horse a girl's Republican father is forbidding her to ride in any horse girl movie, especially one starring Kevin Sorbo. Thighs, thick or thin, we are going to win Kamala Harris 2024. Hi, I'm not Kamala Harris, and she definitely did not approve this message.